Advocates for death row inmate Richard Fairchild are asking for mercy ahead of his clemency hearing. They say his original attorneys did not do their job and kept important evidence from the jury. News 9's Brittany Toulis went to the news conference today and has the latest.
Richard Fairchild's attorney now says if the jury knew then about his brain damage, they might have given him a lesser sentence. A life on the line.
Richie Fairchild's life would have been spared had trial counsel simply done his job.
Richard Fairchild first put on death row 26 years ago for killing 3-year-old Adam Broomhall in 1993.
Adam cried even more, and Richie threw Adam toward the kitchen, where he landed on his head on the concrete floor, the fatal blow.
His attorney then says Fairchild's current lawyer, Emma Rolls, kept a crucial piece of information to themselves.
His trial attorney had in his hand a report from a psychiatrist diagnosing Mr. Fairchild with organic brain damage. Instead told the jury that Richie's behavior was explained by the fact that he was simply a mean drunk.
The Oklahoma Coalition to Abolish the Death Penalty says his history of head injuries is to blame.
So when you look at sports figures who have been diagnosed with CTE post-mortem, Richie's behavior and Richie's deterioration over the years mirrors those.
CTE can only be diagnosed after death. Rolls also says Fairchild has paranoid delusions. Injuries coupled with a, quote, depraved childhood is why, Rolls says, she's hopeful the Pardon and Parole Board will recommend to spare his life.
Based on the 10th Circuit Court of Appeals opinion in Richie's case that had the issue of trial counsel's failures been raised appropriately in the state courts, he would have likely received relief.
Richard Fairchild's clemency hearing is scheduled for Wednesday at 9 a.m. At the state capitol. Brittany Toulis, Oklahoma's own News 9.